Hello there, and welcome to Spatial Reasoning 11 Plus Test 6. So work out the figure that shows how the 3D figure below could look when viewed looking down from above. So let's have a look at the example questions first of all. So this is our original 3D figure. Now, if we were to have a bird's eye view of this figure, what will it exactly look like, roughly speaking? How will it actually look like? Now, it's a little bit difficult because you're going to be viewing this looking down from above, which means that the object or the figure would look slightly different to what it looks right now. So in this case, if we were to look from the top to the bottom, what will it roughly look like in this case as a 3D figure? So if we go to option A, that's not correct. Option B has a circle, which means this is going to be our answer. Option C and D are excluded from these answers. Now, let's have a look. So we have this particular cuboid standing up, okay? And that's our cuboid standing up there. Then we have in parallel a cuboid that's resting on itself, which is just here, all right? And that's the cuboid resting by itself just there. Can you see that? So we've got a cuboid standing up and a cuboid that's resting just following up, which means that it's coming up further to the cuboid that's standing up. So B in this case will be the correct answer. It cannot be C. The reason it cannot be C is because the resting cuboid is actually at the top rather than the bottom. Now, it can't really be this particular figure either, C. And even though C may sound very close, but it can't be C because the figure is actually pointing on the outside. So C will not go very well. It can't be A either. And the reason it can't be A is because the resting cuboid, even though it's adjacent to the cuboid itself, has changed position. So B in this case will probably be the best follow-up answer. Let's go to our first original question. So let's have a look at the original shape first of all. Original shape is just there. Now, if you were taking a bird's eye view from the top, what figure would this be in terms of a 3D actual shape? What figure, what will it actually look like if you were looking at it right from the top? I would go for option A as looking exactly like this particular figure, right from the top. Okay, so it's making like an L shape here. It's making an L shape here, this way. So I would go for this particular one there, all right? So the rest of them, B, C, and D are very close, but I would say that A is quite spot on with regards to this particular answer. Okay, so try your best, take your time in looking at the figures and trying to decide which figure goes where and which one is the correct one. We'll follow these questions up in our next class. Good luck.